last year's top rookies. Nice pull. And Hall. And another Brady Quinn insert. Hot Quinn box. A little bummed that the Dolphins didn't pick him up. We'll see how well he does in the NFL. Brandon Leonard. Oh, look at that. Another Brady Quinn. I think we're talking about 6 Brady Quinns right now. Ted Ginn Jr. I think he was gonna hopefully help those Finns out. Sidney Rice, round out that pack. Okay, go. Just like to talk a little bit about my site, TradeCardsNow.com. I think we're the only site that has all the members can put their cards into their own database, and we have a search. We'll search them all at one time. So we got a Gaines Adams, Century Club, Drew Stanton, Anthony Gonzalez. We have an auto here. No, just an insert. Century Club, and a Jamarcus Russell. Jamarcus Russell is going to be going out to Bucks. Again, bought all the Raider cards out of here. Hopefully we'll be doing some future box breaks. I know we've got some calls out for doing some baseball. Got some other boxes here I'm going to bust later, probably tomorrow. That's Brian Leonard. Jamarcus Russell insert. Michael Bush. Adrian Peterson insert. Okay, I'm going to start to hustle this up. I want to get done quickly. I think what we'll do is actually cut these out and then just talk to you a little bit about my site really quick. Getting back to the member search, each member can add their cards into the inventory database, and on the home page you can search for Jamarcus Russell. It'll bring up every single Jamarcus Russell card our members have available for trade. You can go right to their trade page and see all the other cards they have available. We also have Trade Cards Now Cash, very popular. Every time you make a post on our message boards, you get some TCN cash. Every time we run contests, we give TCN cash away. And you can redeem those for real cards. We've already given away a Upper Deck Ken Griffey Jr. rookie, Brett Favre, a jersey card, and some other nice stuff. We definitely have some good stuff up there right now. Like basketball guys, we got Tayshaun Prince auto up there. We've got a Dan Marino jersey up there. Definitely come and get those. Okay, Marshawn Lynch, Trent Edwards, insert. Leon Hall, and Craig Davis, LSU. Okay, pack. A little quicker. Olsen, Rice, Levi Brown, and a Pro Day Jamarcus Russell. At the guy we keep pulling a lot of. Another Brady Quinn. Cobb. Not sure if anybody collects by college team. We got an auto here. Nope. trying to build up a team collector trade area. Know that you guys love your teams. Stick on those. Another John Beck. That's going to Slick. He bought all the Dolphins. Trent Edwards. Nope. And look at that. Another Brady Quinn. Seems like I pull one in every pack. Jamarcus Russell. No, not another auto there. UTEP. Marshawn Lynch. We're always looking for ideas for the site, so come on over, hit those message boards, give us some ideas. Maybe do some fantasy football contests this year. Adrian Peterson. Cobb. Darius Walker. Aaron Ross. Still looking for that other auto card. Dwayne Boone. Antonio Pittman inserts. Patrick Willis. I hate to say it again, I keep saying it, but I swear I'm pulling a Brady Quinn out of every pack. Two more packs, guys. Almost done. Let's see. Troy Smith. Chris Leak. Auto here, no auto there. And another Jamarcus Russell. Last pack, guys. Michigan State guy, Drew Stanton. Patrick Willis. There's our other Michael Bush. Our other auto, Anthony Gonzalez, Ohio State. Well, that was the box. So, log on, let me know what you felt. I just wanted to hit that trade cards now cache one more time. Show you a few cards that we have in our trade cards now store. We've got a Rashawn Woods auto. Always nice. We got a Steeler fans out there. We got a Plaxico Burress numbered 5/17. Roethlisberger and J.P. Lossman dual jersey. Michael Clayton rookie jersey. And Phillip Rivers jersey right now. Again, you can get trade cards now for just posting on our message boards, making trades. You know, if you make 10 trades, then you get 1,500 trade cards now cash, and you can redeem that for these cards. Thank you for joining me. I got a few more boxes to bust here, so check us out in all of our box breaks. Thanks.